Have you ever wondered how much we truly know about our ancient ancestors and the civilizations they built? Ancient civilizations, those cradles of human culture and knowledge, are shrouded in layers of mystery and intrigue. They are like intricate puzzles waiting to be solved, yet many pieces remain shrouded in the impenetrable cloak of time. These civilizations, from the sun-drenched lands of Egypt to the Fertile Crescent of Mesopotamia, from the Indus Valley's fertile plains to the awe-inspiring heights of the Andean mountains, have left indelible marks on our collective human history. Yet, despite our fascination, much of our understanding of these ancient societies remains incomplete. Many questions persist about their ways of life, their beliefs, their systems of governance, and their technological prowess. These societies, which flourished thousands of years ago, often leave us with more questions than answers. Archaeological findings play a pivotal role in piecing together these historical puzzles. From the discovery of ancient artifacts to the unearthing of long-forgotten cities, each new finding provides a precious glimpse into the past. Yet, it is important to remember that each discovery is just a single piece of a much larger puzzle. The true picture of these ancient civilizations is likely far more complex and fascinating than what current findings suggest. The beauty of studying ancient civilizations lies not just in the answers we find, but also in the questions that these answers inevitably raise. As we delve into the enigmatic past, let's begin our journey with the oldest known civilization. This journey is not just an exploration of historical facts and archaeological findings, it's an exciting adventure into the depths of human ingenuity and resilience. It's a testament to our collective human spirit, which has always strived to build, to learn, and to overcome the most daunting of challenges. So buckle up, history enthusiasts. It's time to embark on a captivating journey into the enigma of ancient civilizations. As we delve into the enigmatic past, let's begin our journey with the oldest known civilization. Taking us back to around 4500 BC, we find ourselves in Mesopotamia, home to the Sumerians. Here, in the fertile plains between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, the seeds of civilization were sown. The Sumerians, often referred to as the cradle of civilization, were innovators in many fields that we take for granted today. Imagine a world without writing, a world where there's no way to record history, to communicate complex ideas, or to pass on knowledge from one generation to the next. It's difficult to comprehend, isn't it? Well, thanks to the Sumerians, we don't have to. They are credited with the invention of cuneiform script, the world's first known form of writing. This was a revolutionary leap in human communication and a stepping stone to the myriad forms of written expression we enjoy today. But the Sumerians didn't stop there. In fact, they were just getting started. Consider the wheel, an invention so fundamental that it's hard to overstate its importance. The Sumerians were the first to harness the power of the wheel, transforming transportation and commerce in one fell swoop. This simple yet profound invention set the wheels of progress in motion quite literally. Moreover, the Sumerians were pioneers in the realm of law. They developed the earliest known legal code, predating the famous Hammurabi's Code by several centuries. This rudimentary set of laws established a crucial precedent: the idea that society should be governed by a set of rules, rather than the whims of individuals. Yet, despite these extraordinary accomplishments, the Sumerians mysteriously vanished around 2000 BC. Their sudden disappearance remains one of the great unsolved mysteries of the ancient world. How could such an advanced civilization simply fade into oblivion? The Sumerians, with their advanced society, set the stage for future civilizations. Their legacy is etched into the fabric of our modern world, a testament to their innovative spirit and enduring influence. Even though the Sumerians are gone, their contributions to human history continue to echo through the ages. Fast forward to 3100 BC, we land in Egypt, a civilization known for its monumental architecture. It's hard not to be awestruck by the Egyptians' grandeur in edifice and design. The pyramids, the most iconic symbol of their civilization, stand as a testament to their architectural prowess. These massive structures, built with precision and a deep understanding of geometry, were not merely tombs for the pharaohs but a reflection of their belief in the afterlife. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the largest of them all, was constructed with over 2 million blocks of stone, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. And yet, the alignment of the pyramid is so precise that it deviates from true north by only 3/60ths of a degree. This level of accuracy, achieved more than 4,000 years ago, is nothing short of astounding. Then there are the intricate hieroglyphics, a complex system of writing that combined logographic, syllabic, and alphabetic elements. It was through these hieroglyphics that the Egyptians recorded their history, their beliefs, their rituals, and their daily life. These writings, etched on the walls of temples and tombs, provide us a glimpse into their world, their thoughts, and their way of life. But the question that continues to baffle us is, how did they achieve such architectural feats? How did a civilization, without the aid of modern machinery or technology, manage to construct structures of such magnitude and precision? Some theories suggest the use of simple tools and sheer human labor, while others propose more exotic methods involving ramps, levers, and even the possibility of alien technology. Despite extensive research and numerous theories, the methods employed by the Egyptians in their construction remain a mystery. Their knowledge of mathematics, their understanding of astronomy, their skill in engineering, all of these contribute to the enigma that is the Egyptian civilization. The Egyptian civilization, with its monumental achievements, continues to baffle us even today. Now, let's travel to 3300 BC to the Indus Valley, where we find a civilization known for its urban planning. The Indus Valley Civilization, also referred to as the Harappan Civilization, was a Bronze Age society that extended across what is now Pakistan and Western India. Remarkably, their urban planning prowess was light years ahead of their time. Imagine a city with a grid-like pattern, much like the streets of modern Manhattan. The Harappans didn't just randomly place their buildings, they meticulously planned their cities, with wide main streets and smaller lanes crisscrossing at right angles. They were built around a central marketplace, an urban planning concept we still use today. Their buildings were made of uniform, baked brick construction, and some even had up to 2 floors. But what's even more mind-boggling is their sophisticated drainage system. Unlike many other civilizations of the same era, the Harappans had indoor plumbing. Houses had bathrooms that were connected to a city-wide sewage system, complete with covered drains and manholes. It's a level of urban sophistication that wouldn't be seen again for thousands of years. But the Harappans weren't just master city planners. They also left behind an undeciphered script. Despite thousands of discovered inscriptions, we still can't read their language. This script is one of the most enduring archaeological mysteries, a tantalizing piece of the puzzle that could potentially unlock the secrets of this advanced civilization. Yet, around 1900 BC, this civilization, which had flourished for over a millennium, disappeared almost overnight. Cities were abandoned, their script vanished, and their precise urban planning knowledge was lost. The reasons behind this sudden disappearance remain one of history's greatest enigmas. Some researchers suggest climate change, others point to invasion or internal social upheaval. The Indus Valley Civilization, with its meticulous city planning, leaves us with more questions than answers. But one thing is for sure, their remarkable urban planning legacy continues to inspire and mystify us in equal measure. As we have journeyed through time, we've encountered civilizations that continue to astound us with their accomplishments. Let's take a moment to reflect on some of the most mind-boggling facts from our journey. From Sumerians, the first civilization to invent writing, to the Egyptians' awe-inspiring architecture, and the Indus Valley Civilization's masterful city planning. The Sumerians, who inhabited what is now southern Iraq, were pioneers of communication. They conceived the world's first known form of writing, cuneiform, around 5,000 years ago. This groundbreaking invention enabled them to record history, draft laws, and even create literature, forever changing the course of human civilization. Moving to the land of pharaohs, the ancient Egyptians never ceased to amaze us with their monumental architecture. The Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, stands as a testament to their architectural prowess. Built over 20 years with 2,300,000 blocks of stone, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons, it was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. It's a feat so extraordinary that it continues to baffle modern engineers and archaeologists alike. On the other side of the world, in the Indus Valley, we find another civilization that was light years ahead of its time. The cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro were meticulously planned with complex drainage systems, public baths, and grid-like streets, showcasing an urban sophistication that was unparalleled in the ancient world. These cities, built around 4,500 years ago, had a level of urban planning and sanitation that wouldn't be matched for thousands of years. While we have unearthed some truths about these ancient civilizations, many of their mysteries remain buried, waiting to be discovered. The more we learn about these extraordinary cultures, the more we realize how much more there is to uncover. The past continues to intrigue us, to challenge us, and to inspire us, reminding us of the incredible potential that lies within human ingenuity. While we have unearthed some truths about these ancient civilizations, many of their mysteries remain buried, waiting to be discovered.